Hi, this is a video on how to color in the simplest way possible. First, make sure that over here you're in modeling and then select a sphere, a primitive. Please write this down, and or use this video to understand. Scale it up. Once you have scaled it up, what you need to do next is make sure that you go to modify, freeze transform, and then do a right click or control click and go to assign new material. Click over here with your right click, then go to Lambert. So you'll get this comes up. You don't have to do anything right now, but what you can do is you can go to render. Instead of modeling, go to rendering. Once you go to rendering, what you have to do is you have to go to texturing and 3D paint tool and click on this box. So when you click on the box, you find the big X over here. So these are your brushes, different of the brushes that are there. This is the radius, and if you look at it, it becomes big. You can also press Ctrl B and go left and right, and it will change the size. So since it's not allowing you to paint, what you have to do is go down here and say where it says color, attribute, edit texture. Over here you'll get 270 or something like that, so change that to 1024, and here you will find that it is on AIFF Maya, IFF Maya, so change that to JPEG. And apply. Now you see that your brush no longer has an X. So you click on this and select the color you want to use. Say I want to use this color, and I can paint directly. Oh, your opacity should be full by default. So you can color anything you want. You can hold Option and Alt and change. So this is the easiest way to paint any object. You can hold B and go right to increase the size of your brush. You can change the opacity and you'll get some interesting effects. These are like rectangular brush. Again, B reduces your brush size. You can also decrease it from here. So remember that this is controlled by this, so if you want a very thin line, this has to be totally on 0, and then you can hold the brush B and increase the size you want. So remember, option, you can drag. You can also drag from here, and you can do different types of painting. Sorry about that. If you press the space bar, that will come up. So you have to follow every step. You just can't automatically not follow a step and it's going to work. So remember how we proceeded from a primitive like a sphere, and then you're in the modeling tool, and then you modify and go to freeze, and then you assign a material with the right click, and it's Lambert, and from Lambert you go in to rendering mode, and from rendering mode you go to textures, 3D texture paint, and then you come down to this box where you go at the bottom where it says color, assign, edit texture. There you change it from 270 or something like that, or whatever the measurement that is there, to 1024, and then change it to JPEG, and then you should be able to paint. Hope that helps. Thank you.